Are you getting enough vitamin A in your diet? This essential nutrient does more than just help you see in the dark. It plays a critical role in your overall health. In today's video, we'll break down the top sources of vitamin A and explore the amazing benefits it brings to your body, from sharper vision to stronger immunity. From colorful vegetables to animal-based foods, vitamin A is more accessible than you might think. Let's dive in. Daily requirements of vitamin A, charts, visual data, nutritional labels, demographics, infographic showing vitamin A RDAs by age and gender, asterisk comparison chart, vitamin A needs for infants, children, adults, asterisk visual timeline of vitamin A, intake from infancy to old age, asterisk pie chart of daily vitamin A sources from food, asterisk male versus female, vitamin A, requirement in bar graph, asterisk vitamin A needs for pregnant versus non-pregnant women, asterisk breastfeeding mother and child with labeled vitamin A needs. 3D vitamin bottle with daily dosage chart, serving sizes of food meeting 100% daily vitamin ARDA, asterisk calendar with weekly vitamin A tracking chart, age group based vitamin A needs baby bottle with vitamin A dosage for infants. Toddler eating pureed carrots with daily requirement text, school age child's lunch tray with vitamin A percentage. Asterisk teen holding smoothie with vitamin A benefit. Caption: pregnant woman eating sweet potatoes with nutrition info, elderly person enjoying liver stew with eye health benefit. Tag: growth chart showing vitamin A role in development, plate showing vitamin A needs for teens versus seniors, asterisk cross section of child's eye labeled with vitamin A role, asterisk classroom chart showing kids nutrient needs, vitamin A highlighting why vitamin A is important. Eye illustration with vitamin A improving vision, asterisk white blood cells being boosted by vitamin A, skin cells regenerating with vitamin A, info, respiratory lining protected by vitamin A, asterisk stomach lining and vitamin A defense, mechanism, bone strengthening with retinoic acid influence, organs glowing with arrows showing vitamin A protection, asterisk DNA strand activated by retinoid signaling, asterisk immune shield forming with vitamin A molecules, asterisk brain neurons connected by vitamin A dependent by vision and eye health, night driving scene with blurred vision, deficiency effect, asterisk child reading in dim light, vitamin A equals night vision label, asterisk healthy eye anatomy with vitamin A role in the retina, asterisk retinal molecules shown over foot cells, night blindness progression chart, diagram of rhodopsin regeneration needing vitamin A, cornea dryness due to vitamin A deficiency, before, after, eyes with and without adequate vitamin A infographic of causes of preventable blindness, night blindness, cure pathway with food sources, immunity and disease prevention, asterisk vitamin A activating immune cells in bloodstream, asterisk child's immune system defends with glowing vitamin A shield, asterisk infected lung tissue improved with vitamin A supplements, asterisk recovery seen from measles with vitamin A support, asterisk graphic showing lower infection risk with high vitamin A. Asterisk chart showing reduced morbidity with supplementation, asterisk white blood cells labeled as activated by retinoids, asterisk gut lining strengthened by vitamin A, asterisk vitamin enhanced immune response post-vaccination. Asterisk virus particles repelled by vitamin A fueled antibodies, vitamin A deficiency, child with signs of xerophthalmia, dry eye, asterisk rural community with vitamin A deficiency crisis, asterisk WHO global vitamin A deficiency map, asterisk health worker giving vitamin A capsules in a clinic, asterisk blind child with warning preventable with vitamin A, immune weakened child during deficiency, chart showing signs, fatigue, dry skin, poor vision, night scene with child bumping into furniture, malnourished child with clinical vitamin A deficiency signs, asterisk government poster promoting vitamin A supplementation and fortification, vitamin A capsule with dosage label, asterisk fortified cooking oil with rich in vitamin A, sticker fortified rice grains glowing with nutrients, vitamin A drops for infants, asterisk government supplementation kits, asterisk classroom receiving vitamin A fortified snacks, public health campaign banner on fortification, vitamin A capsules beside liver and carrots, asterisk comparison, natural food, DS fortified food, asterisk child receiving a vitamin A supplement dose, vitamin A toxicity, pill bottle label, excess vitamin A warning, asterisk diagram of liver affected by hypervitaminosis, A, skull x-ray showing intracranial pressure from toxicity, list of vitamin A overdose symptoms, asterisk pregnant woman warned against high-dose retinol supplements, asterisk cartoon showing too many liver meals equals risk, vitamin A capsule warning label, bone weakening from chronic overdose illustration, asterisk nausea and fatigue due to vitamin A excess, Asterisk, safe upper limit chart for vitamin A intake, conversion, and absorption. Asterisk, infographic, beta-carotene gives retinoic acid. A diagram of absorption in the small intestine. Liver converting provitamin, a 2-usable retinol. Genetic factors affecting vitamin A bioavailability. Vitamin absorption, visual ADEK. Asterisk, bioavailability chart, plant versus animal. Vitamin A, asterisk, retinol. Binding protein carrying vitamin A in blood. Enzymatic reaction converting beta-carotene. Molecular model of retinoic acid activating gene transcription. Asterisk, prep method, increasing vitamin A absorption with fat.